Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Stand with your lead foot forward at the osh, 7 feet 9, 25 inches from the board. Place weight slightly on the front foot for stability and balance. Hold the dart with a relaxed 3-point grip and maintain steady wrist alignment for consistent release. Keep your elbow level and forearm parallel to the floor throughout the motion to reduce variability. Aim with your dominant eye and keep your head still while breathing out slowly before the throw. Finish with a smooth follow-through and consistent hand position after release. Schedule 3 focused practice sessions per week, each session lasting 60 minutes. That routine delivers about 300 darts weekly while allowing recovery and improvement. Start every session with a 15-minute warm-up of outer ring aiming and single targets. Then perform 6 sets of 25 darts concentrating on treble 20, treble 19, and finishing doubles. Finish with 10 minutes of checkout practice from 101 and 501 finishing positions. Track your average and scores every week to quantify progress and adjust your practice accordingly. Simulate match conditions regularly by playing best-of-5 legs against practice partners or a clock. Introduce pressure with timed throws and match-style scoring to adapt your nerves and pace. Use a consistent pre-throw routine and breathing cue to reduce tension and maintain focus between darts. Visualize successful treble hits and smooth checkouts before matches to prime your motor patterns. After play, analyze stats emphasizing trebles hit, checkout percentage, and average score to identify weak areas.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.